Welcome to Tech's Review. Today I will show you process of automatically generate YouTube shorts like this one.
Once upon a time, in a quaint village nestled between rolling hills, lived a curious young girl named Lily. One starry night, a mischievous fairy named Twinkle appeared at Lily's window, beckoning her to follow. Excited and wide-eyed, Lily tiptoed out into the moonlit night, guided by the twinkling fairy. Together, they ventured into the enchanted forest, where trees whispered ancient secrets and fireflies danced in harmony. Along the way, they met a wise old owl named Ollie, who shared stories of magical creatures that roamed the woods. As they journeyed deeper, they encountered a playful unicorn named Sparkle, who led them to a hidden waterfall, shimmering with iridescent light. The trio crossed a bridge made of rainbow glass and found themselves in a meadow filled with glowing flowers that sang lullabies. Finally, as dawn approached, Twinkle bid Lily farewell, leaving her with a heart full of wonder and dreams.
It's
Back
awesome,
in her cozy bed, Lily
right?
drifted off to sleep.
I automatically
knowing that the
generate this
enchanted
bedtime
forest would
kid
always
story
be
short
there,
video
waiting
with
for her
single
next
AI
magical
without any
adventure.
effort. You will find the necessary links in description. You will be redirected to this AI's homepage after clicking with my link. This AI can generate faceless videos on autopilot and unique videos each time. Let's see the process, and obviously I will explain.
Want to automate faceless videos like these? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Go to for faceless channels on autopilot. Let's set up a video series. Click Create. Select the account where your videos will be posted, or add a new one. Choose your video series topic, from interesting history to scary stories, or pick custom for tailored content. We'll go with interesting history. Next, pick a narration voice that matches your style. Hit Create Series after customizing. Preview your video with title and script and tweak as needed. Schedule your video, set visibility, and enable interactions like comments. Confirm settings, update, and you're live with engaging AI-generated
On
content.
homepage, click Try for Free button will redirect you to Sign Up page. Click on Sign In with Google button for easy login with your email address will redirect you to Dashboard. Click on Create Your Series button. Then select a destination if you want. The account where your video series will be posted automatically. In paid version, you will able to select your TikTok or YouTube channel to post your videos straightly from this AI, or you can select Email Me instead. Then select, what will your video series be about? You can choose any niche you want, like scary stories, bedtime stories, motivational, history, etc. from this categories according your requirement. I am selecting bedtime stories. Then select a narration voice you prefer. You can check voice tone and select the voice you preferred. Then select video language you prefer. I am selecting English US. Select your short's duration and finally click on Create Series button in step 3, and that's it. You will need to do nothing without waiting for a few minutes. On next page, you will find AI start working to generate your video. In the meantime, if you found our video helpful, please subscribe. After 5 to 15 minutes, you will find your video is ready, including video title, captions, and video script. So now let's see what it made by this AI automatically for us. And stay connected till the end. We have more twist.
Once upon a time in a far-off land, there was a tiny seed nestled in the soft soil of a lush meadow. This was no ordinary seed. It was a magic seed waiting to bloom into something extraordinary. As the moon sprinkled its silver light, the seed stirred and began to grow. From its core emerged a delicate sprout that stretched towards the twinkling stars. Each night, the sprout whispered to the moon, sharing its dreams and aspirations. With each passing day, the sprout grew taller and stronger, its leaves shimmering in the dappled sunlight. Animals of the meadow came to marvel at this remarkable sight, drawn by the seed's aura of kindness and wonder. Birds perched on its branches, singing sweet melodies that echoed through the meadow. The magic seed, now a magnificent tree, stood tall and proud, its roots embracing the earth with love and compassion. Children from nearby villages would come to sit under its branches, feeling the warmth of its presence and the gentle wisdom it emanated. And so the magic seed became a symbol of hope, teaching all who encountered it the true power of kindness and growth. As the years passed, the tree spread its seeds across the land, ensuring that kindness would continue to blossom in every corner of the world. And to this day, if you listen closely on a quiet night, you can still hear the whispers of the magic seed, reminding us all to nurture the seeds of kindness within our hearts.
How was it? Write it in comment. And if you have any confusion, you can also ask me in comment section. I will answer all comments one by one. Now let's see the pricing plan of this AI. Here is the twist. In free plan you can create only one video, but in starter plan, you can post 3 times a week. I recommend you to use daily plan where you can. Posts once a day. 1 series. Edit and preview videos. Auto post to channel. HD video resolution. Background music. No watermark. Download videos. If you want to make your channel with this strategy, you should upgrade. Thank you.